So you got your front bumper from DV8. Well, what's keeping you from getting the rear one as well? Well, what you should do is get one of these MTO rear bumpers. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. Now I know we all want our truck to look as good as it performs, and that's where this low profile design comes in. It seamlessly integrates with your Tacoma's body lines, giving it that aggressive yet refined look. Kick bulky stock bumpers to the curb and welcome a sleek upgrade that turns heads both on and off the road. Constructed with high quality materials, it's designed to take a beating while you conquer those rough terrains. And this bumper isn't just about looks, it's about enhancing the functionality of your truck. It's got two 3/4 inch recovery points that will allow for a safe and sturdy way to get yourself and others out of the mud. With an integrated hitch receiver, hauling your gear becomes a breeze. Whether it's bikes, trailers, or anything your adventure demands, functionality is where this bumper truly shines. And for the campsite or off-road, being out after dark can be a blast. So DV8 adds the option to mount two 3-inch light pods. And safety is also important. That's why this bumper works with factory parking sensors. If you want to know more about the MTO rear bumper by DV8, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.